Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to update you on the couple of swing positions I have running on my account. So this is my funded account, as you can see, and many of you can identify from its logo which one is it. It is, but I'm not gonna open that and show you guys because it's quite of a mess here because of this Prince Charming Gold moves up and down, in and out of trades, scalping all these moves over here in this channel on here. So we just got this good 160p move to the downside, and at the retracement we are continuing in the sells over here at the same time. So I just wanted to update you on some of the swing positions I have entered on the funded account. So as you can see here, we have AUD CHF. So if you see on the daily time frame, we had a massive push to the downside, and then we were in this corrective channel, if you may. And so whenever a market has a bearish push down or a bullish push up, the prices tend to correct themselves in an ascending correction, and on a break of that, again we can see prices head to the downside. So I'm targeting this lows over here. This is gonna be a very nice swing trade. Looking at the 4H time frame, we did enter this trade last week on the Friday 10 a.m. in the morning, and since then we have been in drawdown, in sideways. Only today it has got going. It has got really good push now to the downside. So I'm hoping that this hourly candle closes below this lows over here. Let me just mark it for you guys. So below this lows, and once that's cleared, and if it closes in a really good momentum, then midweek I would say we should hit 50% of our take profit, and even like the full take profit is not that far away. It's 1:4, a good risk to reward ratio on there. So let's see how this plays out, and I'll keep you guys posted on this in the upcoming videos. Another position we have entered is AUD USD sells. So the idea behind this trade is also somewhat similar. So we were in this bullish trend for a while, and now we have had this huge move to the downside. As this is a key psychological area, as 0.68000, yeah, prices do tend to have a reaction from those areas. So I was monitoring this, and as you can see, we have had a push down, a base, and again a push down. So it's rally base drop, something like that. So I'm hoping the prices to recreate this again, a rally base and a drop. And given this is a structural level on the higher time frame, we can then see a move towards the upside from here. So this is not the right trade. I would say this is a degen trade because we are not in the market direction, because the overall bias of this market is bullish, but we are taking a trend to the downside. Given the dollar strength, the rate cut possibility has gone down from 35 to 0, so dollar has gained some strength over there as well. Hence we are seeing some downside in gold as well. And given the base currency on this pair is dollar, if dollar is gaining strength, we can see some weakness in AUD USD. So that's why we are going to capitalize on this one. It's a quick 1:2, 1:9.2 trade on here. Another trade we are onto is GBP JPY. We are in this trade since last week, and we are in a massive drawdown on this one, but I'm still holding it. So same as USD, sorry, not USD, same as AUD CHF, we have had this push to the downside, and then we are correcting. The price is correcting in an ascending channel, if you may. So let me just mark it for you quickly. So as you can see, we are in that channel at the moment, and until unless we don't break out of this channel, I think I'm gonna stick with my bias, which is I'm very bullish for yen. So I'm bearish on all the yen pairs, if I can say that. Yeah, I can say that definitely. And yeah, that's so this is the channel we are in currently. So once we I'm hoping for the prices to clear this area soon. So if you see on a 4H time frame, we did break above the psychological level 194.00 and 193.000. So I'm hoping for the prices to come back down, clear these lows over here. Initially we gained some supports over here, creating equal lows. We're creating equal highs up here, so it's a bit choppy sideways market at the moment. I'm just hoping for the prices to just come down over here, clear these lows, and on a retest head to the downside on there. So this was a very early entry in my view, but hey, it's either a stop loss or the TP, so that's the reality of swing trade. So another thing, you can see I was in this trade since last week Tuesday, and it's gonna be a week tomorrow that I'm in this trade, so I'm in negative floating on this one. And this is the harsh reality of swing trading. Either it goes your way or it roams around in drawdown and makes you want to close the trade. But this is where the psychology part comes to play, because I've seen a lot of times that you would close your trade somewhere around here and then the trade will start moving in your direction. So let the price do its thing. If it hits my SL, clears this trend line, the channel, if it breaks out the channel and retests this area, then I can rethink my analysis. And maybe I was wrong, completely wrong to taking that short trade to the downside, and then I will look to capitalize on the buys up to this highs over here. So until and unless we are in this channel, my stop loss is not hit, my bias is gonna be bearish on this one, and let's see how this one plays out as well. So either a win on AUD CHF and a loss on GBP JPY, or a win on both are gonna benefit me any which ways, because this is 1:4 and this is 1:2.75. So I'm gaining more on AUD CHF, and that should cover my losses on GJ if that may happen. But in my view, we should roll over to the downside on here as well. And yeah, now it's just for me to monitor this AUD USD trade and see how that one plays out. If need be, I can take some partials along the way down at this level over here, somewhere around here, and yeah, just keep my account growing and see how quickly we can pass stage 1, phase 1. And that's about all for now. Peace.